Hey Cam, what are you doing?
Wait, iPad.
There is a box, a mysterious box over in the middle of the kitchen. Turn that off and check it out.
Okay.
I don't know what it is. What do you think that could be? We should open it, huh?
Yeah.
I don't know what it is.
I think you're peeking. I don't think your eyes are closed.
It's pretty lightweight.
Maybe it's just air. Do you think somebody sent us air?
Maybe it's another sister. All right.
What is it? Air!
Air bubble.
RC.
What is that?
RC helicopter.
Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh! Show us! Show us this thing. Hold on, let me zoom in here. Vatos. Two helicopter. Oh my.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Max wants to check it
I
out.
hate to break it to you, buddy.
Check it out, Max.
It says ages 14 and up. Are you 14?
No.
Uh-oh.
Think you'll be able to fly it?
I think we can do it. Let's go try it. See what we got in there.
The whole top slides off. There you go.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness, it's like mini. There you go. We'll take some
Tiny,
pieces
huh?
out. What?
Look at that. What's that for?
That's the controller.
That's
Here,
the
go ahead.
controller, you're right.
Pull the rest of the way out.
Look at the controller.
Wow.
Whoa! It looks like a drone.
I think
Look.
the controller is bigger than
Here.
the
Wow.
helicopter. It does. It looks like a transformer. There we go, Cam. Oh my
Wow,
goodness.
that is cool
That's
looking.
mini.
Wow, Kim, hold that up, dude.
How cute is that?
Go ahead and show them. Let's see what's on
Look
it.
at the mini back rotor.
It does have a
guys.
mini back rotor.
Yeah, and two big propellers.
Yep.
I bet Jacob's gonna wanna play with it.
Jacob's our neighbor kid.
Yeah.
I've got a nice
If he
USB
don't know
charger.
him.
USB charger. What do you have there, Cam?
The controller. Look how big it's bigger.
Let me check it out. It
It's-
actually is. You're right. It's
But
big
the
as whole thing.
helicopter's longer than this.
You're right. It
There's a
is
spin
longer.
light. Look.
Oh, that's neat.
Look. There's on and off switch.
Okay, that's where on-off switch
Look.
is.
Look at the
it's
back.
blinking. Cool.
Mama.
All right. Well, it
Oh.
power's on. That's good.
Yeah, that is good.
Wait a minute.
Found the on-off switch. This.
Whoa.
Whoa! It's got all kinds of lights, guys. Look at that.
Okay, who needs directions? Cam's just gonna figure it out.
Look at that.
So
Wow.
just that.
What are you doing? Are you breakdancing?
Yeah.
Hey, if this thing doesn't work flying, it's cool to just have a helicopter, huh?
Yeah.
We can just play with it like that.
That lights up too.
Yes, it does. Very neat. And you probably just broke it.
Look at the lights. Look at the lights.
All right, guys. So we just tested its durability, and it seems to have held together.
Yeah, it didn't even break.
Don't do that again.
We don't know how to fly though.
Look.
Someone likes our new toy, maybe.
Figure it out, guys. We're gonna take it outside. You ready? Here we go. Oh, get it, Max. Get it.
He's gonna Godzilla it. What do you think, Cam?
Look at it. I want to get
Oh, okay. I've never flown a drone before. I think that's evident. Ready?
Cam almost got taken out.
Going up. Oh.
Ooh.
Put it on the.
Yeah, put it in the middle of the room.
Don't put it on the rug.
Watch
All right,
out,
ready?
Max. Coming for you. This thing's got some serious blades spinning. There you go.
Ah.
I think we'll be better outside.
Okay, so flight time on this is like 6 to 8 minutes. So it does come with a USB charger, which is nice. It goes right in the side here. So we'll plug that in there, and then we'll take it over here.
It was nice because it actually came pre-charged, so that was nice for a test flight. Perfect.
Start charging.
What are you doing way down there?
So we're gonna fly the drone. If it crashes, I will pick it up.
Okay, we got a lot of space down there. It's way down on the table.
But not on the surface.
Cam's gonna be ready to duck and cover. Whoa!
Oh, guys, go down, go down, go down. Okay, good thing we have 20-foot ceilings. That works out good. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
All right, Max, get it.
Maxie.
This is actually a great place to fly this thing.
Daddy, look.
Nothing to hit way up
There we
there.
go. Now I got it. But it doesn't go forward. Like, how does
Daddy,
it?
Max is trying to get it.
Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no.
Landed on the
Get it.
couch.
I'm having trouble keeping track of it.
And it almost chopped my finger off.
Oh my goodness, Cam.
Up in above.
Oh, gosh, oh, gosh. Oh, no.
Oh!
Oh, gosh.
Oh, gosh.
I feel like every flight ends the same with everybody screaming, "Oh no!"
Oh, come on, get off. There we
Get
go.
up, get up, get up!
Alright, hold it.
I think the
Get
range.
it! Get it!
I think the range said 10 meters.
It hit me! It didn't even crash!
Didn't even crash.
Whee! I'm doing some loops.
Getting
for you,
dizzy.
Cam.
Dad's learning tricks. Next is
I'm
gonna be
go around. You ready? Here,
Cam's
I'm doing some loops.
Woo!
Yeah,
Spin
okay.
move.
Too high, too high! Crash landing! Black Hawk down!
Daddy, you landed it!
And Daddy bounced it off the ground and somehow saved it.
Mommy, I'm gonna go.
Okay, Peyton wants to go down and watch.
Get it off!
I feel like it'll go around, but I can't make it go forward or backwards. Like it doesn't go forward or backwards. It just goes forward. I got that part down. I don't.
Oh, this is my friend Jacob.
Hi, Jacob.
Say hi. Hi.
Jacob lives across the street. He's our neighbor, but he's a good buddy with Cam. So we are going to try to fly this outside. It's a little bit windy. You think it's gonna work? It worked good in the house, so let's try it outside. You got to turn it on. I'm gonna let you fly it now too. So, or do you want Daddy to do it?
Daddy first.
Okay.
Daddy
All right.
first.
We'll give this over to Mommy, then I'll try it.
Maybe there's just.
Oh.
Oh!
Windy. It is way too windy. Did you take any of that?
Yeah.
Oh,
Cam!
Oh gosh, not on the seat, not on the roof.
I lost it for a second, I think.
That just got me in the face.
All right, guys, it's just way too windy out here. We're just gonna ruin it. I mean, the blades are already kind of chopped up, but luckily it came with new blades. So, Kim, is this a cool toy?
Yeah.
Pretty cool toy. It's made
I
by
would offer
Vatos.
this to your friend.
Yeah, you'd tell a friend to get this. What do you think, Jacob?
Cool.
Pretty cool. Yeah. It's cool. It's got lights. It's small, but it won't fly in the wind. So if you're gonna play outside, it won't go in the wind. But that's okay. If it wasn't windy, it would work. We picked this little guy up on Amazon, so we'll put the link down below in the description. So if you want to purchase one, you can do that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you in the next video.
See you next video.
Bye, guys.
Bye.